area that I want to talk about in the next phase. That's the areas that I do not agree with Honorable Kwame Agbodza during his vetting hearing. One, Honorable Agbodza engaged himself in what I'll call political optimism, misrepresentation of facts regarding the number of roads that the Akufo-Addo administration constructed during its 8 years of service. In fact, Honorable Agbodza is someone who has been passionate about criticizing the past administration regarding the number of roads that the Akufo-Addo administration constructed. Let me put on record, Honorable Speaker, that as at the end of December, per what is stated in the transition report, the Akufo-Addo government had constructed 13,624 kilometers of road, as against 4,630 kilometers of road by the previous government in 8 years. But during the vetting, Honorable Agbodza just picked one component of the road construction, which is the construction of new roads, which is 673 kilometers, construction of new roads, to represent the total number of roads that the Akufo-Addo administration had constructed. And I thought this is misleading representation of facts, and it did not help in having accurate and good debate on the floor. Mr. Speaker, out of the 13,624 roads constructed under the Akufo-Addo administration, asphalt overlay alone is 1,955 kilometers. You can all bear witness to asphalt overlay projects that went on in the country, in Accra, in Kumasi, in Sunyani, in Takrade. Those are not new roads. Those are already existing roads that we put asphalt overlay to improve riding quality. We also constructed 35 bridges across the country. It's also part of the Akufo-Addo record of 13,624. Graveling and regraveling alone was about over 6,000 kilometers. Many of us are MPs from rural communities, and we know the importance of graveling in connecting people and bringing people together in these rural communities. So those are very important part of the road construction projects that were done under Nana Akufo-Addo administration. Mr. Speaker, reconstruction and upgrading of roads constituted 1,665 kilometers. Mr. Speaker, today, if you are reporting on construction of new roads, you will not talk about reconstruction and upgrading. Let me give you one example. Currently, the past government initiated the construction of Fanko in Sawam Road. That's about over 20 kilometers of road. That is an existing road, but it will not be. It's classified under upgrading and rehabilitation, so it will not be counted under new roads. But it's a major construction project with major funding. Today, there's Tema motorway reconstruction and upgrading. That is going to provide a facelift regarding the transportation network between the harbor city and the capital city. This will not be classified under new roads, but it's a major construction project that we know. And Honorable Agbodza is somebody who is very experienced in this, he's a technical person, and he knows this. So I was very disappointed when he used just new roads to represent the total number of roads constructed under Nana Akufo-Addo.
Honorable Minister, I think you have the opportunity to give us a lot of information regarding to the ministry. So, but for now, I think you've given us enough.
Yeah, so, but it was important that I put that.
No, that is why I've indulged him. I mean, all of the people who have contributed, I gave them 5 minutes, but because I was interested in the formation.
But, Honorable Speaker, this notwithstanding, I believe that...